Hey guys, Jacob here with poolandfloor.com. Today we're going to go over how to install Paramount valve modules, pretty much just the gear kit that goes inside of the actual Paramount valve. So first, let's go ahead and take off this knob. So you just unscrew it. Obviously when you do all this, you want the pressure to the system to be off, or else you're going to get really wet, really fast. So then the band clamp comes off, and then the lid just pops off. This is very easy to access. So in order to get the gear out, it looks very complicated. However, they made it real nice. It just pops right out. And that's pretty much the unit that you're buying to rebuild the system, is pretty much a pop in and a pop out gear kit. So it just goes right into the system. There's these dots on the bottom that line up with the holes on the inside. The new pistons are a Y. They used to not look like that, but this is the newer revision. So this is what they look like now. When you pull on them, that's how you can indicate if they're good or bad. They shouldn't pull very easily, and they shouldn't be stuck out. So pretty much, and the gear things on top spin, which also spin the bottom impeller. So if I turn here, see the bottom impeller inside there, that'll turn with that very slowly. It's very hard to turn it, but it'll work. So now let's break off and let's go ahead and get the differences between all of the different gear kits that you can buy. So first, let's start with a 2-port. As you can see, the 2 C's on the left side. So see how there's like those tubes that connect, and it makes the 3 on the left and the 3 on the right by themselves. That makes it a 2-port. And then pretty much that's how it goes around here. So it's 2, 2, and 2. That makes it a 3-port. So now we're going to go to the next one, which is a 4-port, which it actually goes 1, 2, and 3 are by themselves, and then they put 3 of the gears together as a 4-port. And then breaking it off into a 6-port, there's no tubes in the top of the valves, so it's pretty much a 6-port. Underneath those tubes also, I think there's a hole drilled, so that's also an identifier. So there's no holes drilled, everything's clear. So with this one, this is a 6-port. As you can see, there's 6 holes in the bottom of the gear kit, and then there's the dots that line up on the sides of the gears. So most of them, they used to, and I think they still do, they won't slide in and pop in if you have the wrong gear module installed. But yeah, so then the new gear kit just slides on in, and then you put the lid on top. Lid just goes, it's non-directional, so you can put it however you'd like to. So then the clamp goes on the sides. You put the bolt through the clamp, and then you put on the knob. And then that is how you rebuild a Paramount gear kit. Well, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to poolandfloor.com. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for the thumbs up. Have a great day.